And welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll talk about the 5 things that you should keep in your mind before deciding your PhD thesis committee members. And this is very important and crucial for your PhD because if you have the right set of scientists who are part of your PhD thesis committee, then they will be able to help you and support you and guide you further, as well as provide you insights and sometimes maybe help you in troubleshooting a lot of scientific questions. So let's get into the 5 points that you should remember before deciding, because these are not like gold standard points, but these are the points that I kept in my mind before deciding my PhD thesis committee, and this really helped me in the decision making process. So the first one is that make sure that they are interested in your research question. This is very crucial, and I cannot emphasize more on this. The second one is that it is better if they are from the same university or the city, which will be easy for you to arrange the thesis committee meetings. And this is quite relevant because most of them are very busy and it's hard to find time when all of you can come in the same place and they can come for your annual meetings. So keep this in mind before deciding your PhD thesis committee members. The third point is that it is very helpful if you know that they are good human beings in addition to being good scientists. I mean, for according to me, I really could not compromise on this particular point. So keep this one in mind, like keep this as a priority, like the first and the third one. The fourth one is that it will be helpful for you if your PI or the supervisor knows a certain set of scientists who are working in the same field, then they will be able to guide you with that. I mean, this is most often the case, and I'm sure they will be able to help you with this. The fifth point is that you should make sure that in the future you have the possibility to get their guidance, also insights, and hopefully learn from them. So choose certain people who have expertise in the technique that you're looking for, or you think that they are working in the same field. This will be very helpful if you really want to learn a new technique, and not just about the technique, but a study design or getting insights on the topic. So yes, and as a side note, I want to just tell you that discuss this in depth with your supervisor. This is very important. Also, discuss this very openly and frankly with your supervisor so that you don't regret your decision later on. Although, I mean, we can't see what's coming in the future, but still we can give our best to decide better for ourselves. And I hope these 5 tips will help you in deciding your PhD thesis committee members. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for joining. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching again.